Alright guys, I just remembered something here. I forgot to show you what's inside this lock. That video was pretty long, so I'll go ahead and make another one. In that last video, I did get this lock. That's what it looks like. You guys probably saw that. It's a mess. But, hey, I got the core out. The core looks like a shit as usual. So anyways, I want to get this, and this time I'm not gonna use power tools. I already spent too long on those anyways, and I put them up. I'm not gonna go back out there and get it. So let me get this core file down. Then I'll pop all the pins out, no particular order. The pins are gonna end up in my collection right here. I'm gonna use them as key pins, and maybe as wafers too. Depends on how they look. But this lock right here, it is crappy lock anyways, so yeah, I can pick it open. Anyone can pick it open. Not that hard. So let me get started. I'm just going to dump the pins. I'll put the drivers at top. I'll put the key pins at the bottom, and I'll put the springs at the top. And I'll show you what it looks like. In case you guys missed hundreds of videos out there on these guys, and the many, well, one video or two on these two guys, and my failed gutting experiment. I'm going to show you what's inside an M5. If there's spools in there, I'm going to be shocked. And if there is any type of security pin, standard, non-standard, any type of security pin inside this lock, I'm going to be shocked. So I'm going to quick re-upping my lips. I want to get this file open. So bear with me, this jumps off camera as usual. I don't have a camera right there in front of me. I have to see what I'm doing. So let me get started. Oh, and this is zinc as usual. Just like this one. And just like this one. And just like the number 3 core. All these are zinc, cheap master locks. And so yeah. Let me get started. Keep in mind, I got 2 others. Keep in mind, this will not be in any particular order. It'll just be right here. You see it for yourself. It also keeps pausing and be off my ass. Let me go grab a screwdriver. See how much it's gonna cost me. Oh, guys, in case you haven't seen Valentino's videos lately, he is burning on ideas, so go show him some love. And tell him I sent you guys. Alright, got it right here. So, I want to dump him out. Don't criticize me. And Chaz, yes, I do not have painting equipment yet. So, I know what you're going to say, dude. Go ahead and say it. I don't have painting equipment. And when I do get some, or you can send me some stuff. Either way, if I get any, I will do this kind of stuff the proper way, and I'll get my pack lock course repinned up with some followers and all that. Huh. Whoever told me that an N5 had security pins in it, or was that a Pro? Anyway, I forgot. That's what's in there. Let me zoom in. Oops. Too far. And out of frame. Come on, girl, work with me. There we go. Close enough. That's what's in N5. That's what I felt, as usual. So, sorry, it looks a little burly. Don't look that good, but that's what's in there, and mostly because of the light. Yeah. This is going to go in my collection. Some of these pins I know I might be able to use later on. In jazz. Yeah, I keep all my pins I can get. I don't have a pin kit. I don't throw away pins. I use what I have. Challenge locks that you're going to get in the future. Also, tell me if it's just me or I can probably melt that. Let me know if you guys think that's a good idea. Thanks, and sorry for the long videos.